Do you have back pain with long sitting? Well, you are not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you an incredible tip that I've learned to help you find quick pain relief. If you don't know who I am, my name is Shrey Vazir. I'm an advanced physiotherapist specializing in lower back pain here in Toronto, Canada. And in today's video, I'm going to take you through an amazing tool that I've learned to help tackle my own back pain over the last 15 years. Now this tool will be perfect for you if you do lots of sitting at a desk, maybe you're studying long periods, maybe you're working at an office, maybe you do lots of driving or gaming, whatever it is, you're finding pain along your lower back, upper back, or neck with sitting. So if that sounds like you, the tool I'm gonna share with you is going to be excellent. As a bonus, at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you an exercise that you should be doing every single day to help reverse the effects of long sitting. Now the tool that I wanted to share with you in this video is called a lumbar support roll. It looks just like this. Now you may have seen this, you may have even tried it, and you're saying to yourself, hasn't really helped. Let me tell you, most of my patients either use a wrong size lumbar support roll, they're too big and bulky, or they're not using it the right way. But in this video, I want to show you how you can use a lumbar support roll effectively, step by step. Now before I do that, I want to explain to you, first of all, why do people get back pain or neck pain with sitting in the first place? And there's two main reasons which are sort of interrelated. Reason number one, never in human history have we sat for such long periods. And think about it, in our modern world, we are constantly sitting, whether we are studying, working, eating, driving, gaming like I had mentioned, watching TV, we are always in this forward sitting slumped position. Although it's not bad for us in the short periods, when we are in those positions for more than 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, we end up with tight, stiff, and weak muscles throughout our spines, from our neck, upper backs, mid backs, low backs, all the way down into our glutes. And that is what gives us so much of this stiffness and pain. Now the second reason why many people get pain with long sitting is that as humans, we were evolved to be upright, standing, walking. We are essentially bipedal primates, right? We were meant to be looking, hunting, gathering, walking from one place to another in search of food or water. We were not designed to be sitting in one position for longer than a couple of hours. Our joints, our spines, our muscles have evolved and actually crave the movement of walking. So it's no surprise that people who do lots of sitting, more than 8 hours a day, end up feeling this stiffness, tightness, and pain in their spines. Now, not all hope is lost. If you do need to sit for your work or school, there are ways to reverse the effects of sitting. And there are two ways that we can do this. One is external, where we're using a lumbar support roll to push our spines in a more upright position for longer periods of time, so there's less pressure on those joints and muscles that are already tight and stiff. And number two, we can use exercise, which I'm going to show you. One of them is very effective to help strengthen the muscles from an internal perspective, so we can be in a more upright position for longer periods of time, but also be able to tolerate long sitting without as much pain. All right, so this is how you use a lumbar support roll. First of all, you will need a lumbar support roll. Step two, you will need a chair. This could be your dining chair, your office chair. It could be your car seat. I always take this with me when I'm on long plane rides or bus rides. This never leaves my side. Now, once you have a chair, step three is what most people get wrong. What most people do is they sit on the middle or the front here, and they just put it right there, and then they lean back. But that really doesn't help. That can actually create more of a slumped position if you are not all the way back. So step three, actually, what I would recommend to most of my patients is slide your bum all the way back to the seat of the chair, or I guess this support part of the chair. You lean forward, which is step four. Then you slide the roll in that space or that curve where your spine usually is. This is usually between the tailbone and your rib area. You slide that right between, and then you lean back, and there you have it. That is a very supportive position. My back is upright. There's a natural curve in my spine, as you can see. I'm not forward, I'm not too far back, I'm in a neutral position where the lumbar support roll is giving me a good external support. Now, of course, this will not eliminate your pain right off the bat. I still recommend all my patients to take frequent breaks, especially if you're sitting for more than 2 hours on end. I would suggest you switch, stand up, move, walk, and do some stretches every hour to help along with this support. Now, you can use a lumbar support roll that is pre-made like this with a strap that goes around a chair, or you can use a good old towel that is rolled up. This is about, I would say, 3 to 4 inches in diameter. What you're doing is, I'll show you here, take a towel, and there you have it. You would tape this 1, 2, and 3 so it stays in place. This is what I used for years before I purchased one of these. Now I have one of these in my car, in my dining chair, at work, and then this is a portable one that I use everywhere I go. Now, the lumbar roll is great for an external support, but in my opinion, there is no replacement for internal support by strengthening the muscles of our lower back. This is something I've given to many of my patients as well, and I'm going to show you that exercise right now. It's called the prone cobra. You'll need a flat surface, a bed, a floor with a mat, wherever you feel comfortable. And this is the starting position of the prone cobra. Hands are by your side, your chest is down to begin with. And what you're doing from here is you're lifting your chest up and squeezing your shoulder blades back. You're leaving your hands on the bed. So let's repeat that again. This is the starting position. From here, you lift your chest up, neck up, you're looking straight down. And then from here, you're just squeezing your shoulder blades down. This is a very simple and small movement, but you should be feeling a stress or pressure between your shoulder blades because we are working on strengthening those endurance muscles there. This is what is helping us reverse the effects of sitting, and I'll show you that in just a bit. You would hold this position for roughly 10 seconds and then bring it back down, repeating that 3 sets to begin with. So recap, you're flat on your stomach, lift your chest, squeeze the shoulder blades back, neck is down, not looking up, straight down, holding this position for roughly 10 seconds, repeating 3 times. And that is your prone cobra. Now, the reason why it works so well is because we're offsetting this forward natural tendency of our shoulder blades when we're sitting for long periods. What we're doing with this is we're strengthening the muscles between our shoulder blades and bringing them back. And because these are endurance muscles, we're holding them to improve our ability to sustain upright positions without falling into this forward position. This is a fantastic exercise that I would recommend you do at least 3 times a week. Like I mentioned, 3 sets, holding for 10 seconds, increasing that up to 15, 20, 30 over the span of a couple weeks. I've been doing this for years and I'm able to hold that position for roughly a minute, 3 sets, and I find great improvements in my ability to sit for long periods. So there you have it. That is how you can use a lumbar support roll to help relieve your lower back pain if you're getting pain with long sitting. Now, if you combine that with a strengthening exercise like I had shown you, you can actually find relief in a matter of a couple weeks, especially if you're doing the exercise every single day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been useful to you. If it has, please comment below. Until the next video, I wish you the best of health.